What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to fix your remoteless entry key fob if it ever stops working. So recently I was at work and I came out to my vehicle, tried to hit the unlock button, none of it would work. Nothing would work. So I had to unlock it using the just a key in the door until I figured out what it was. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys. What it ended up being was a bad battery. So I went to a O'Reilly Auto Parts. Cost $8. It's a CR2032. That's the size. 3-volt. So all you do is you open your key. You gotta open your key first, and then you see this back part right here. Pulls off just like that, and you gotta replace that battery. So once you replace it, what you gotta do is get it programmed to your car. Alright, so to do that, I have an original key, nothing on it, just original key. Go ahead and stick that in the ignition. Turn on all your lights and accessories, start it up. Just let it run for like 5 seconds or so. Get your other key ready. And as soon as you turn it off, go ahead and put the new key in there. Start it up. Let it run for like 10 seconds. Alright, turn it off and test it out, see if it works. And you hear unlocks locking, and everything works. Trunk popped. Alright, so there you go. It's programmed again and everything is good. So technically this wasn't a new key fob, but I had to buy a new one. This is the one that came with the vehicle when I bought it. I just had to replace the battery. So once you replace the battery, you have to program it again. So it could cost you anywhere from like 60 to 100 bucks if you have to go to a dealership, or hopefully just watch this video and that's all you got to do. It'll save you some money. So once again, man, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if it works for you or if it doesn't work for you. And once again, man, appreciate you guys for watching. Stay blessed.